Let's quickly just get, before Ghanshyam Tiwari comes, thank you Priyanka ji. We've just got results coming in from the Northeast, 2 big results. Going to the live result hub, Shivani joining us, 2 more results. Yes, Shivani.
Yes, just some big names that are being declared winners, and that's always interesting to watch out for. I've got our Northeast desk, Assam and Tripura. We've got big results coming in. Tell me the big names who've been declared now.
Kiran Rijiju has won from Arunachal West by a margin of almost 80,000 votes. He defeated former Arunachal Chief Minister Nabam Tuki, and then Agatha Sangma from Tura, who's the sitting MP from Tura, she lost to Salenge Sangma of the Congress. And 2 seats from Tripura have been declared. Former Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dey has won by a whooping margin of over 5.5 lakh. And Kirti Dev Burma, who's the sister of Padyut Dev Manika Burma, who's the princely king of Tripura, has also won from Tripura East.
So, you know, East is the place, Anand, where actually the BJP is kind of managed to hold on. I just want to quickly give you a sense of West Bengal, where the numbers are standing. What's the situation looking like?
Actually,
TMC 31.
Within 42 सीट्स में जो है हम आ गया, ट्रेंड पूरा आ गया, तो उसमें तृणमूल 31 में लीड कर रहा है और बीजेपी 10 में लीड कर रहा है, और एक सीट है मालदा दक्षिण जो है वहाँ पे कांग्रेस लीड कर रहा है. तो ये जो है सिनारियो, देखिए सुबह 8 बजे से शुरू हुआ है वोट का जो काउंटिंग है, तो 4 घंटे में जो ट्रेंड आ रहा है, तो उस पर थोड़ा एक बात हम कह सकते हैं कि एग्जिट पोल का जो है जो था अभी उसमें थोड़ा अंदर हो.
कितने राउंड हो गए हैं, कितने बचे हैं?
अभी तक तो फिलहाल अगर आप एवरेज करें तो देखा जाए कि 5th राउंड तक हो चुके हैं 42 पार्लियामेंट्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में.
5th round ही हुआ है. So you know there is a little bit of caveat here that there is actually very little rounds that have actually taken place. But as most of us, our experts here are also saying, and you are also discussing, the trends are pretty much clear as it stands right now. Anand, I'll also get you UP. What are the big names that are trailing and by how much in just a bit?
Right. Thanks for that update, Shivani. Yes, Mita.
When you're looking at TMC in 31, BJP 10. BJP was hoping that they would get somewhere around 18 to 20.
Yeah.
So you're looking at way short of what the BJP expected, even in Bengal.
Yeah, even in Bengal.
Yeah.
Bengal, they were looking
Odisha
at 25 plus. Bengal,
news.
they said 25 plus.
Yeah.
Maharashtra, they said they will retain, and they actually contested 27. It's a big slip there.
Right.
And in Uttar Pradesh, the story itself is evident. 44 and 34.
I think it's a phenomenon.
So
I think
what
UP
they had
is the story of this election.
They had expected that some numbers would come down in states like Karnataka, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. They would be made up in the eastern side, which is Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, when they add
minus
Telangana.
28.
But it's not happening.
Minus
Look at the
28
UP
in UP.
picture.